Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your phone is constantly showing you random app suggestions or draining battery faster than it should, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable a sneaky hidden setting on your main desktop so you can stop these background ads and speed up your device immediately. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main settings app. Scroll down and tap on the menu labeled Home Screen, Desktop, or Launcher. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page. This step is crucial because your phone's main desktop app often has a built-in feature designed to secretly download and display sponsored app recommendations in the background, which heavily drains your battery. If you don't see the menu in your main list, then simply long press on an empty spot directly on your actual home screen, tap the Settings gear icon that pops up, and find the Suggestions toggle there instead. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.